Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Mexican rice. What you'll be needing will be 2 cups of rice, some water, tomato sauce, a piece of onion, a tomato, some garlic salt, and a little of the chicken bouillon. I'm going to go ahead and add the rice to the pan. It's already oil in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and saute this till it's brown. It's very important that your rice is evenly brown. You don't want it to be undercooked or your rice is going to be all mushy. So let that cook. I'm going to go ahead and chop up my onion. Piece out. This usually takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the onion. Mix it in. All right, I'm going to use about maybe half of the tomato. And the rice is pretty much almost brown. Just let it cook a little bit more. It's important that you get the rice brown and it's even. Always making messes here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomato sauce. I don't like to do the whole can. I just do maybe like half of the tomato sauce. Put 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. Higher the heat so it could come to a bubbling. Some garlic salt, as much as you like. Go ahead and add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Just a little bit, maybe like a little teaspoon. You don't want it to be overly salted. You could always add more salt later, but too much salt will mess up your rice. It won't taste good. Right, wait until it starts bubbling, and then go ahead and cover it and then simmer it for about maybe 10 minutes. Alright, I'll cover it up. Put it on low. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes and I'll just check on it. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and check on the rice. Oh, it looks done to me. You'll know it's done when there's no more liquid. And yeah, it's nice and fluffy. It's done. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hope you love the recipe. Thank you. Have a good day.